GeopByte.
Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Okay, look at the screen. It is asking like this. A vehicle travels half the distance with a speed v and the remaining distance with speed 2v. Its average speed is. First, let us consider the total distance. Let A to B be the total distance. That total distance is d. Okay. Now you try to mark a point at the middle, that is C, such that AC equal to d by 2 and BC also equal to d by 2. This distance is d by 2 and this distance also d by 2. But it is given that first half distance is covered by the speed v and next half distance is covered by the 2v velocity. Okay. Now let us take for the first half distance. First half distance, that is A to C. A to C. The time required for covering the A to C, let it be T1 equal to distance traveled divided by velocity. Distance traveled is half of the distance, that is d by 2. With what speed? V. That is the time required for covering the distance AC. Similarly, for the second for the second half distance, that is from C to B. C to B. The time required is T2 equal to again distance traveled, that is d by 2. Velocity is 2v. It is equal to d by 4v. He is asking average speed. As you know, average speed average speed VABG equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Total time taken. Total distance traveled is d. Total time taken is t1 plus t2. It is equal to d by t1. Look at the t1. T1 equal to d by 2v. T2 equal to d by 4v. It is d by 2v plus d by 4v. D by, let us write the d by v outside. It is 4 plus 2 divided by 4 into 2. D cancelled. Finally, it is 8 by 6. 8 by 6, this v goes up. Equal to 4 by 3 times the v. That is the average speed of the body. 4 by 3v. Look at the options. Look at the option D. Option D is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Look at the screen. It is asking like this. A bullet from a gun is fired on a rectangular wooden block with a velocity u. When the bullet travels 24 centimeters through the block along its length horizontally, velocity of the bullet becomes u by 3. Let us take the wooden block. Let the wooden block. Through this wooden block, bullet is traveling. Given that initial velocity of the bullet, let the state one, initial velocity is u. After traveling to a distance 24 centimeters, let that is state 2. Velocity of the bullet is velocity of the bullet is u by 3, u by 3. At state 2, velocity is u by 3. Then it further penetrates into the block in the same direction before coming to rest exactly at the other end of the block. At the other end of the block, let the state 3, where the velocity is 0. Velocity is 0. Then total length of the block. Here total length equal to the distance from 1 to 2 plus distance from 2 to 3. Let distance from 2 to 3 is s. Then 24 plus s is giving the total length of the block. For that, let us consider the motion. For the motion, from 1 to 2. For the motion from 1 to 2. Here v square minus u square equal to 2as. That is the formula. No? Now, for the 2, right, for the 1 to 2, 2 is the final state where the velocity is u by 3. U by 3 whole square minus u square equal to 2 into a into, here distance traveled is 24. Since the speed is decreasing, negative acceleration. That's why I am keeping the negative sign. It is u square by 9 minus u square equal to minus 48 times the a. Can be written as, it can be written as, here it is u square minus 9 u square by 9 equal to minus 48 a. Here minus 8 u square by 9 equal to minus 48a. 48a. Here negative sign is cancelled. Finally, let us take another slide. 8 u square by 9 equal to 48 a. From this I can write that acceleration a equal to 8 u square by 9 into 48. It is u square by 8 6 times 54. That is the acceleration. Okay. For the other part, for the other part, that is from 2 to 3, from 2 to 3. For this 2 to 3, final velocity v equal to 0, initial velocity equal to u by 3, u by 3. Then again v square, right, v square minus u square, this is the initial velocity, equal to again minus 2as, because velocity is decreasing, minus u square equal to minus, right, 2 into, look at the acceleration, u square by 54 into s. This negative sign is cancelled, u square is cancelled. Finally it is uh, s equal to, here it is 1 minute, 54 into s. Okay, 1 minute. Here u equal to, look at the u value, initial velocity minus of u equal to u by 3, u by 3 whole square. Now we simplified, negative sign cancel. U square by 9 equal to 2 u square by 54 into s. Here it is 9, 27 times, 9 3 times. U square cancel. Finally s equal to what? S by 3 equal to 1. S equal to 3 centimeters. Then what is the total distance traveled? Total distance traveled is s plus 24. Correct? 24 plus s equal to 3 equal to 27 centimeters. Look at the option B. Option B is absolutely correct. Are you following clearly? Yes.
GeopByte.